If you've ever been stuck with an empty or blank slide in PowerPoint and couldn't figure out how to remove it, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a blank slide in PowerPoint using two simple methods. This is a super easy fix, and it can save you time when you're cleaning up a presentation, organizing your slides, or removing accidental extras. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first method is the fastest one, and it works great if you just want to remove the slide immediately. On the left side of PowerPoint, you'll see the slide panel, which shows all of your slides in order. Find the blank slide you want to delete and click on it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted. After that, simply press the delete key on your keyboard. PowerPoint will remove that slide right away. That's it. The slide is gone and your presentation is now one step cleaner. This method is especially useful when you're working quickly and don't want to use the mouse for extra clicks. If you accidentally selected the wrong slide, just click the correct one before pressing delete. And if you're deleting multiple blank slides, you can hold Control and click each one, then press delete to remove them together. Now let's go to the second method, which is the right-click option. Again, start by going to the slide panel on the left and locating the blank slide. Right-click directly on that slide. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Delete Slide. PowerPoint will instantly remove it from your deck. This is a great option if you prefer using the mouse or if you want to be extra sure you're deleting the correct slide before removing it. Both methods do the same thing, so it really comes down to what feels easier for you. The keyboard method is faster, while the right-click method gives you a little more control. Either way, deleting a blank slide in PowerPoint only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If your blank slide isn't deleting, make sure you're clicking the slide thumbnail in the left panel, not the empty space in the main editing area. That's one of the most common mistakes people make. Also, if you're using like a template or master slide, sometimes what looks blank may actually contain hidden elements, so double check before removing it. And that's how to delete a blank slide in PowerPoint using two easy methods. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.